Hello everyone, this is next in the series of image to diagnosis the general sonography and another case scenario in the urinary tract. This is a 66-year-old man presenting with hematuria intermittent for 3 years, also dysuria with recurrent documented urinary tract infection. This is the sagittal and transverse scan of the suprapubic region showing the bladder mark there, and you see an echogenic lesion in the lumen of urinary bladder with acoustic shadow. So is it a vesicle calculus? This case scenario is to highlight the importance of repeat scans and going to the clinical history of the patient. If you would like to see the workup of this case scenario, please log on to shonoshare.in. Thank you.